Welcome to Unhinged Magi. We're going to be watching a live stream today, but not ours.
Not ours. And it's going to be an opening. It's going to be fantastic.
This is why everybody who wants
It's going to be Channel Fireball opening up packs like we do, and we're going to react to it live.
And here we go. They're doing it now. Apparently there's seven slots or something. And
didn't just buy it out. Like, whoa.
We are none of the slots, but we can enjoy the opening.
Yeah, this is what it's like for everyone else watching you or me opening up crazy stuff.
Oh, that's true. You know, in the last box break, Masaki dominated. He lost one of the expeditions, right?
Which card are you hoping for them opening the most?
Let's see. This is Urza's Saga. Tolarian Academy's in that set, right?
I believe so.
Voluntary, though.
Which means Gaia's Cradle is also in that set.
We did have one.
Correct.
Away. Oh, 5x Yawgmoth.
Oh, let's see.
No, we want 5x.
Is Yawgmoth's Will in this set, or is that Legacy?
Yeah, Yawgmoth's Will is in that set, and that's the one I'm rooting for.
Yeah. Well, of course, Cradle would be the best one. I mean, because that's a really good card, and it's worth a ton of money. I think my favorite card in the set is either Yawgmoth's Will or the Tolarian Academy.
Thank you for joining us. Gaia.
Yep.
Gaia.
The Academy is very OP.
You think everyone's back, Armando? What are our numbers like? Everyone make it back? I don't want anyone who wanted to.
Actually increased.
We have increased. Okay, here we go. So, this is our 5-pack Saga box break. Here we go. We've sorted. All right, green.
All right, let's get the letters out of the way.
Randomized, right, Armando? Okay, we have randomized. These are our groups. Green is Ryan K. Blue, black, artifact, land, white, and red to Masaki K. Here we go. Pack number 1 in our Urza's Saga pack break.
So Masaki or Ryan are the two people that get the cards?
I believe so, and I believe they carve it up by color.
Damn, they went with the blue gloves.
I know. I asked him to do that.
Oh wait, they talked to you about this beforehand?
Yeah, I've been on here for a while.
Oh my god!
Well, I said, hey, you need to get the gloves, and he did.
President and CEO John Sasso, where the rare was in this pack, and we couldn't remember if it's in the front or the back. It's either 4 from the front or at the very back. So I am going to take a sneak peek.
You see how I said the gloves are perfect on the text screen?
Oh, I don't have the text screen up. I'm doing full screen.
You don't need it.
Yeah.
I'm just doing the stream of chat, just chatting with people.
We're going to go card by card.
All right, here we go.
Let's savor it. Ready?
Gosh, I haven't seen these in so long. Come out of a
I know,
pack.
right? They're so expensive now. Apparently they bought in for $150 a slot, which breaks it down, I think, to $175 a pack.
That's an awful lot of money, because for most people are not going to get good cards.
Is that good? Yeah. Okay, Viashino Runner.
Now remember, only the people who get red get red. The only people who get black get black.
These feel very thick.
Yeah, I remember that.
Power Stink.
Cackling
Fiend.
Cackling Fiend. Launch. Gaia's Bounty. That's not the Gaia's card.
It's not too bad.
Opal Gargoyle.
The bounty, I don't think said basic forest, right? Just forest.
Right.
You go get 2 dual lands.
Yep.
Silent Attendant.
Ooh.
You can always tell Rebecca Guay's art.
Yes.
Here we go.
Oh, Duress. It's not expensive, but that's a really good card.
This is the only art for Duress I ever want to use. The OG Duress.
Yeah.
Our first uncommon is Diabolic Certitude. Claws of Gix. The quote-unquote...
Sacrifice a permanent, gain 1 life.
My favorite thing about that one is that it actually costs 0. I just like 0-cost artifacts.
Yeah, but it's still... It's got 1 sacrifice at the bottom of it.
Yeah.
Is it considered poly at that point?
Spined Fluke. Are we ready for the rare?
Yeah, it should be. You should be able to do it infinitely.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Sarah Avatar.
This used to be. There was a time when this was a crazy money card. It's been
well, not crazy money. It was never crazy, but it was a good card.
For Sarah Avatar, I think it looks wonderful. It's Dermot Power. Is that what it is? Dermot Power.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
It was definitely considered a good card.
Avatar.
But usually by the time it came out, you were already beat down to like 10 life or less.
Yeah, well, you would have to like animate dead that guy, right?
Yeah, if you could like pitch it and then animate it, that'd be pretty good.
Okay,
Then Spirit Link it and keep on getting bigger.
Yeah. So remember, 175 a pack.
Sox 04 Champs informs me it was a $20 card. I remember that. That's back when being a $20 card, particularly in Type 2, meant something, you know? So here we go.
Makes you want to run out and buy packs, right?
I'm just totally laughing, Dan, that you actually told them like Open Boosters is watching the channel and told them to do blue gloves and they did it.
Hey, Channel Fireball aims to please.
Yeah.
Rune of Protection Black. Pendrel Flux. Priest of Titania. There she is. That's Trinity. There's a whole deck built around her called Trinity, but that's Trinity.
Mm-hmm.
Pacifism.
Pacifism.
Yeah, that was a good card. That got a lot of play.
That is a good card.
Pouncing Jaguar.
The Echo effect was pretty good for a while.
Echo.
I definitely used that.
It's a Goblin Raider. 2 mana 2/2 saw play back in the day, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Unworthy Dead.
Remade on Drudge Skeletons there.
Power Taint.
Spire Owl.
Venomous Fangs.
Hey, it turns anything to a fat basilisk. It was awesome.
Ooh,
You could put Venomous Fangs on a Timmy. That'd be pretty good.
I feel like you saw
It's
these
fantastic.
Everyone was trying to break the embraces for a hot second. Sarah's Embrace.
If that was just one
Sandbar
two
Circle.
white or one cheaper, it'd be awesome. Cycling.
Yeah, Cycling's a good effect.
Gaia's Embrace. There's one for all the colors.
I was glad they brought it back for a little bit.
That one's actually pretty good in
Here we
draft.
go. Our rare for the pack is Child of Gaia.
Ah.
That is the wrong
That's
Gaia
terrible.
card. It's not what we're looking for. Child
Oh.
of Gaia, of course. 7
It's
mana,
better than
trample,
Force of
7/7.
Nature.
You're upkeep of green or sacrifice
Yeah.
Child of Gaia. 1 green, 1 other regenerate Child
Just
of
2
Gaia.
greens
A little bit
and a
outclassed
trample
by today's
regenerates.
standards.
It's definitely
Yep.
better than Force of Nature.
Yeah, they're saying that in it's the fix for Force of Nature. That's they're saying in the chat.
Yeah.
John Vladman, you got it exactly.
I like his orange band on his Apple Watch.
Yeah, it kind of makes it look good with the blue.
David
Yeah.
Hall having some problems with Carl's Jr. You know,
Well, tell him I
Carl's
still
Jr. is
love
one
the
of
blue
faster
love. You're doing
places,
great.
and I can't get into Carl's Jr. Never have been into it. Bacon Western Double's pretty good, but it's not high on my list of fast food places. I am not a Carl's Jr. fan.
Hey, Carl's Jr. has that big star, whatever that
Bacon
one is.
Western.
That's pretty good.
Bacon Western Cheeseburger.
Oh yeah, the
is
bacon
like the
Western
best thing ever, but
cheeseburger
it's
is
not
crazy good.
I'm not a big Carl's Jr. fan. I'm not big on Jack in the Box either, y'all. All right, here we go.
Well, I used to work at Jack in the Box.
Here we go. Drifting Meadow. Thank you, Open.
I worked there for
Boosters.
3.5 years.
Booster says I'm doing great with the blue gloves. Thank you.
He shouted you out. That's awesome.
Arc
I actually really like
I
those lands.
I cast a lot of these back in the Ponzi.
Oh yeah.
Blood Vassal.
Blood Vessel. I like anything that gives me mana.
Yeah.
Pestilence. There you go. A little pack one. Pick
It's a good
one
card.
Pestilence. I'll take
It's a
it.
fantastic card.
Disruptive Student. For
That
those
can
not
be
to know,
pretty
That
good.
is a young Teferi right there. That is a young Teferi on this card.
He's being, look at him
I agree.
snickering. He's being a little snot, knocking
Yep.
stuff off the counters.
Cave Tiger. How dare you, DD Ben?
Yeah. Nah.
Yay, Cave Tiger. No.
Fiery Mantle.
Yeah.
It's a fire breathing that comes back.
Yeah.
Sanctum Guardian.
It's a cleric that does 2.
Scrap. I've always liked the art on Scrap. It's very
But the
much
cycling
not-
makes that card awesome.
Yeah.
It's you can either use it for draw or just, get the artifact.
The graveyard is
No,
a resource.
Exhume definitely
We do
saw
it all
play.
the time now, but we're kind of
Yeah.
just starting to tickle the embers with it, really, with a bunch of the stuff in Saga. We already had Raised Dead.
You can definitely
Animate
play
Dead,
that in Reanimator decks. That's for sure.
What's it called?
Oh, that's a Pegasus Charger.
Pegasus Charger. Reanimate. That's what it was, yeah. Fog Bank. That's our first uncommon.
Fog Bank.
Yeah, okay.
Beautiful flying wall.
Hawk Eater Moth. Cannot be the target of spells or abilities. 4 mana.
It would have been, that card would have been better if it could regenerate or if it had more toughness or something.
Exactly, and that was way too expensive with the green and 3.
Call back to Humility, which was an enchantment that affected all creatures. It's just one creature. All right, here we go, y'all. Is this our rare? You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Bam! Ill-gotten gains. Wah, wah.
Wah, wah,
Ill-gotten gains.
Yeah,
I feel like we started with Sarah Avatar, then we hit Child of Gaia, now we're at Ill-gotten gains. Ill-gotten gains in anything? I don't think it is. Oof.
I do like those cycle lands, though. I mean, I know they're just commons, but the cycle lands are good.
Left.
How do you spell want
Which one has
want?
the cradle, y'all? Which one has the cradle?
W-A-H-H?
This one has the cradle, so I'm going to start with this one so we can end on the cradle.
I wonder if John Sasso was watching right now.
I don't know, maybe.
They even got this cool this little logo at the top. Says box breaks. Channel
Yeah, I know.
Fireball
Isn't
box
it cool?
breaks. Uh-huh.
We should do some box breaks too.
In our five-pack Urza Saga box.
That's what you do. You just don't call it box breaks. See, those cycle lands. I love them, honestly.
Yep.
Lulls. Opal, Caryatid.
It's good early, good late.
I think this might be the first Caryatid magic. It's an enchantment, but I think this might be the first one. I'm not sure. Jared Mallard, you go to channelfireball.com/boxbreaks. If you want to really get in there early on, you want to be a member of CFB Pro because they get first notice of when we update the schedule and post all the box breaks.
Heat Ray sucks, man. That's just straight up worse than Fireball or Disintegrate.
Falter.
Of course.
Corrupt. This is the
Now, if it
original
flashed back
Prince
to your
of
hand,
Corrupt.
then it would have been better.
This, but yes, Corrupt.
It would have been a really playable.
Pendrel Flux. There she is again.
The Triad.
Trinity herself, Priest of Titania.
You really need green.
Was this 175 to get into, Armando? 175 was the buy-in. Elvish Lyricist. This was made.
No, that's pretty good.
You played this in Stompy. You had Elvish Lyricist made.
Yep.
It was
That's
150
basically like
on
a
that.
scavenger folk for enchantments.
Sarah Zealot.
Yeah.
Our old friend Goblin Raider. Here we go. We're coming up on the uncommons here.
He's in every pack.
Yeah.
Scourge Familiar. Our first uncommon of the pack.
I think that actually did see some play, some
Scourge
combos.
Familiar, by the way, I think this was a big part of Yawgmoth's bargain, if memory serves.
Yeah,
Played these
that
in-
sounds right. I think what he said is right.
Nice. He's on his game.
Voice of
Aw.
Law.
Oh, that's the uncommon.
Yeah, we're good still. Come on.
Confiscate.
This used to be a cue ball.
I actually really like that card.
Yeah, they made a similar version later on. It takes control of target permanent. I remember playing it. Can't remember what it's called.
Ah, Abundance.
That's not bad. We'll take that. I like that more than an ill-gotten gains. I'll tell you that much. That is Abundance. There we go.
I actually like that Confiscate. I've played that in a lot of decks, especially in EDH games. Because it's just so handy to be able to steal like any permanent.
Martin, you got
Exactly.
Late. What do you think? This is back
Like I said, there was a
before
card.
just in time.
They
Obviously
rotated
not,
out of
Martin.
standard, though, I believe.
Martin, you need to be here for the Zendikar Rising breaks because I shout you out every time we see a Wayward Guide Beast. Your favorite Zendikar Rising card. But no, we have a Sarah Avatar, a Child of Gaia, a Ill-Gotten Gains, and now an Abundance.
He
So
needs
this
to
is
do
guy's
the
cradle
earphones because he's recording his own voice over the speaker. You might actually type that.
That's the issue he's having.
You might type that into the chat for him.
Huh?
Right?
If he has headphones in, his microphone won't catch his voice.
You do not get a refund just because you got a wayward guy. You talk to Wizards.
Well, actually, we should say it differently. Don't say the mic won't catch his voice.
Lucky Gaming TCG, here you go. Shout out to Flesh and Blood. That's coming up right after this break. Flesh and Blood breaks are amazing. We're going to crack a $4,000 box. I mean, even if you don't play Flesh and Blood, just watch us open 4,000 plus in product.
You know, it's probably coming out of his speakers and then coming into his ear. That's what he needs.
Oh.
See, he needs to turn down his speakers and plug in some headphones.
Yeah, I don't really know how to tell him that, though.
Go.
You're the more technical person.
Symbiosis.
I would type something in, and it would just confuse everybody.
Well, if I change screens to type something in, it'll screw up the video recording we're doing here.
Do not screw up the video recording. Those blue gloves are fantastic.
Healing Salve.
I could like pretend this is me.
Yeah.
Pestilence is the best pack one. Pick one of the set, Martin, if that's what you're saying. Sandbar Merfolk. So far, I'm probably...
Way better than Merfolk of the Pro Trident.
Yep.
By leaps and bounds.
Smoldering
There we go.
Cradle.
Cycle Land. That's especially good in red. Because late game, you know, you draw a mana source and you're like, man, I need a bolt. I need
Martin
something
says,
else.
wow, Healing Salve. That has to be the pack one. Pick one. Crocky says life gain was busted. Ooh, Coral Merfolk. 2 mana, 2/1.
Needs an ability.
Bravado. We haven't seen a cradle yet. Pablo Martinez asked, did I see a cradle? If you saw a cradle, let me know.
The problem with Bravado is if you have a bunch of other creatures on the table, you're probably winning already.
Herder.
True.
I think this might have been in a few main decks as well. Maybe it was sideboard only. Expunge. There you go. There's your pack one. Pick one, Martin.
A cycling dark or terror, basically. That's good. That's a good card.
Disciple of Law.
Yeah, that's a good card.
Yeah.
Pro red cycle creature.
And it's, yeah. Just for red anytime.
Yep.
Admire.
Second cycle land.
Cycle lands are good.
Expunge.
It's a better late game draw
There
than
you
just
go.
another
Opal
mana.
Acrobate.
Exactly.
First uncommon. Fire Ants? What? What? 3 mana tapped to 2. I can't remember. I think this card's pretty good.
Yeah, that could be good.
2 cards away, right? Okay, here we go. Blanchwood Armor. I think I'm still on Expunge. Oh, I can't remember if Fire Ants were good or not.
The biggest card of those X ones was Imperial Armor. Imperial Armor was awesome.
Imperial Armor was really
Alright, here
good.
it is, our last rare. Let's get it
Come
in,
on.
Cradle. One time, baby. One time. Bam!
Yawgmoth.
Aw.
Which is in.
We got a Witch Engine, y'all.
Wah,
1
wah,
black 5 for
wah.
4 horror with Swamp.
Oh
Blood.
my gosh.
Tell him to say opening is always priceless.
Yeah, yep.
Of Witch Engine. Wah,
Oops.
wah. Man, that was a blast. Can we do an on-demand 5 more packs of Urza Saga? Okay, we gotta do some more. We gotta do more of this old stuff. This old stuff is it's a blast to crack open. Just an absolute blast.
Okay. They're stepping into your territory, Dan.
They are.
Oh well, it's all good.
All right, that is our Urza Saga break. Are we on to Fab now? We are on to Fab. This is our
Cool.
Saga
Well,
break.
maybe we should close up the video now. They're all done.
Dive right
Yep.
into Fab.
I couldn't get him to say it. That's all right.
Yeah. Oh well. That was pretty good. I definitely
All right.
enjoyed that.
Thank you, Channel Fireball, because that was a lot of fun.
Okay, so thanks everybody for tuning in and hanging out with us, watching Channel Fireball do a box break.
Yeah, that was good.
We kind of got to see it from your side this time.
Exactly, and and we didn't have to spend any money. It's fantastic.
Yep. Okay. Talk to you guys later.
See you all later. Bye.